Hello, and thanks for tuning in to Nisha B's World. I'm Nisha B, and welcome to my world. Today, I am doing something different. I am cooking out of the air fryer. This is my first time cooking three things. The three things that I'm going to cook today is the mozzarella sticks, and then I'm going to cook the hot dog, and then finally, I'm going to cook some chicken wings, lemon pepper chicken wings. So let's see how it all turns out and see if it tastes good and all that good stuff. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I'm going to cook mozzarella sticks in my air fryer. Okay, here's my air fryer, and here's the mozzarella sticks I'm going to cook. Let's see, and we'll see how it turn out. Hopefully it'll be nice and hot and cheesy. So I'm gonna just cook 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I'm gonna cook 5. All right, so let me put it in here. I do not know how many minutes to put my mozzarella sticks in. Okay, so I'm just gonna do 50. That might be too long. 370. I'm gonna do 8 minutes. I'm gonna check on it though. So I'm gonna do 8 minutes, and I'll be right back. Oh, looking good, looking good. Okay, so it came out real cheesy. Taste it. Oh, oh, hot. Oh, okay. I give it a thumbs up. Yes, look at that cheese just coming out. It's good. It's not greasy or nothing. It's good. It's crispy. Tastes like it was baked in the oven, but it's good. So thumbs up to the air fryer. Oh, this is real good. Air fryer mozzarella sticks, and I did sprinkle Parmesan cheese on it. Thumbs up. Try it. So I put it for 8 minutes. I have 5 mozzarella sticks for 8 minutes. Come out real cheesy and crispy. It's so delicious. Thumbs up. All right, next up is a hot dog. All right, so I already done cut up my onions and got my mustard, ketchup, and now I have my hot dog. I bought beef hot dog. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, I don't know how many minutes to put on, but I'm just going to do a 370 temperature and at 15 minutes. So I'm going to keep on checking on it to see if it actually takes 15 minutes. But let's begin. And I'll be right back to see the results. Okay, all right, I am back. All right, so it just went off. I was trying to hurry up and get back to it when it went off. But all right, so 15 minutes. Let's see. Ooh wee. All right, it looks like I did a little barbecue here. Okay, let's cook, for real cook. All right, so the 15 minutes. I actually like it burnt. Whenever I grill my hot dogs, I grill till it's burnt. All right. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to put the stuff on here, the mustard, ketchup, and onions. So I put the ketchup, mustard, onions on it. And I forgot I had some leftover chili, so I added chili on it. All right, so let's take a bite. Ooh, okay. It's pretty good. All right, so the air fryer hot dog is a winner. It actually tastes like I barbecued it on the grill. So thumbs up. All right. All right, I'm just chewing. Okay, next up is I think I'm doing the chicken next. The chicken wing. Lemon pepper chicken wing is going to be next. Alright. Be right back. Alright, last but not least is the lemon pepper chicken. I already seasoned it. As you can see, I already seasoned it. Alright, so now this is my first time doing chicken in the air fryer. So let's see the results. Alright, so I've been playing around with it, and I know there is a chicken icon on here. Okay, so there's the chicken for 400 degrees. Let's say for 20 minutes. Alright, so 20 minutes. I'm doing wing things, so the little bitty chicken for 20 minutes, 400 degrees. Alright, I'll be right back with the results and taste test. Okay, I am back. Oh, wait, look how it looks. It looks so delicious. Alright, so I did 20 minutes at 400 temperature in the air fryer. OMG, it looks so delicious. Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, it's hot. Okay, so, duh. Anyway, I'll be right back with a taste test. Look how nice and golden it is. Let me go to the light. Go to the light. OMG. It looked like it was actually fried in grease, but no, air fryer. Lovely. Alright, I am back. Alright, so like I said, I have lemon pepper chicken that I put in the air fryer, and I decided I went and bought, I heard about this Louisiana hot sauce. It's sweet heat with honey added to it. So this is going to be my first time doing two things. One is cooking the chicken in the air fryer and trying this Louisiana sweet heat with honey hot sauce. Alright, so I'm going to taste it. Be right back. Welcome back. Alright, as I was saying before, I did purchase, I heard this was good, Louisiana sweet heat with honey hot sauce. So I did purchase that. So this is my first time, again, like I said, trying the hot sauce and lemon pepper chicken, just any type of chicken in the air fryer. Okay, so here we go, taste test. Alright. Ooh, okay. Alright, so it's cooked very well. Very well. It's cooked very well. Alright, so let's taste it. Ooh. 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 It's good. It's good. Oh my goodness. Okay. The chicken is good. Of course I seasoned very well, so that's good, but it's good. It's done. It's fried hard. Like, I like it. And then this here is good as well. The Louisiana sweet heat with honey is the bomb diggity boom boom. So try it. It's really good. I'll take one bite. So do a recap. Look, it's so good. A recap. So first I did the mozzarella sticks, and like I said before, it came out real cheesy. Very good, very good. I would cook my mozzarella sticks in an air fryer from now on. So thumbs up to the mozzarella sticks. And then next was the hot dog, which I turned to a coney dog. And to be honest, it was good as well. And it actually tastes like, sort of tastes like I grilled it on the grill outside. And so it's good. No, it's really, really good. So I recommend that as well. I didn't realize I was so close to the camera. And then finally is the chicken, the wing things that I cooked. Very good, and it was fried hard in the air fryer. So thumbs up, 3 thumbs up. I had a third thumb out. I put a third thumb up for all 3: mozzarella sticks, the coney dog, hot dog, and the chicken. And then, like I said, I topped it off with first of all, it was lemon pepper chicken. Then I decided to add this here. I went to the store and grabbed a bottle of this because I forgot that I seen on another channel that the person said it was good. So I was like, let me try it for myself. So Louisiana sweet heat with honey is very, very good. So I recommend it to each and every one of you guys. All right, so in closing, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in to Nisha B's World. And please don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And again, thumbs up to the air fryer. Whoever created the air fryer, power to ya. Anywho, so I just want to thank everyone again, and you guys have a blessed day, and smooches.